Let's learn how to analyze bank instruments effectively to verify their authenticity and guard against fraudulent activities. Explore essential techniques and best practices to protect yourself from potential scams in the financial world. Safeguarding financial transactions. In this video, we delve into the critical process of analyzing bank instruments to verify their authenticity and mitigate the risk of fraud. Discover essential techniques and best practices to ensure the integrity of financial transactions in a complex and evolving landscape. Understanding bank instruments. First, definition and types. Bank instruments encompass a wide range of financial documents and guarantees, including standby letters of credit, SBLC, bank guarantees, BG, and medium-term notes, MTN. Understanding the characteristics and purpose of each instrument is crucial for effective analysis. Second, common features and components. Bank instruments typically contain specific details such as issuer information, beneficiary details, terms and conditions, and authentication features. Familiarizing yourself with these components is essential for accurate analysis and verification. Essential techniques for analysis. First, document verification. Start by thoroughly examining the document for any inconsistencies, errors, or irregularities. Verify the authenticity of signatures, stamps, and seals, and cross-reference the document with relevant databases or registries for validation. Second, due diligence on issuer. Conduct comprehensive due diligence on the issuer of the bank instrument, including researching their reputation, financial standing, and regulatory compliance. Verify the authenticity of the issuing bank and confirm its authorization to issue the instrument. Authentication and security features. First, watermarks and security threads. Inspect the bank instrument for security features such as watermarks, holograms, and security threads. These features are designed to prevent counterfeiting and enhance document security. Second, unique identifier codes. Many bank instruments contain unique identifier codes or serial numbers for tracking and authentication purposes. Verify the validity of these codes and ensure they match the issuer's records. Independent verification and third-party validation. First, utilizing expert services. Consider engaging the services of independent experts or third-party validation services specializing in bank instrument analysis. These professionals can provide objective assessments and verification to ensure the authenticity of the instrument. Second, cross-verification with issuing bank. If possible, cross-verify the bank instrument directly with the issuing bank or financial institution. Request confirmation of the instrument's validity and authenticity from the bank's authorized representatives. Risk mitigation strategies. First, risk assessment and mitigation. Evaluate the overall risk associated with the bank instrument and consider implementing risk mitigation strategies accordingly. This may include obtaining insurance coverage, securing collateral, or seeking legal advice to protect your interests. Second, due diligence on counterparties. Perform due diligence on all parties involved in the transaction, including beneficiaries, intermediaries, and counterparties. Verify their identities, credentials, and reputations to minimize the risk of fraudulent activities. In conclusion, ensuring security and confidence. First, prioritizing security and trust. Analyzing bank instruments as a critical step in safeguarding financial transactions and protecting against fraud. By implementing rigorous analysis techniques and due diligence practices, you can ensure the authenticity of bank instruments and conduct transactions with confidence and security. Second, continuous vigilance and adaptation. As financial fraud evolves and becomes increasingly sophisticated, it is essential to remain vigilant and adaptable in your approach to bank instrument analysis. Stay informed about emerging threats and update your analysis techniques accordingly to stay one step ahead of fraudsters.